I hope that you are all fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 13 of chemistry, that is biochemistry, and the topic is nucleic acids. I have previously told you that there are two types of nucleic acids. One is DNA and the other one is RNA. Today we'll discuss the structure of DNA. What is DNA? DNA is actually deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, this DNA consists of deoxyribose sugar. That is why it is named as deoxyribonucleic acid. Now, what is this deoxyribose sugar? This is the sugar that contains one oxygen less than the simple ribose sugar. You can see in the structure of ribose sugar, on second carbon atom a hydroxyl group is attached. But in case of deoxyribose sugar, a hydrogen atom is attached with the second carbon atom. So it means that deoxyribose sugar is formed when ribose sugar loses one oxygen atom. That is why, as it is formed by the loss of a oxygen atom from ribose sugar, that is why it is named as deoxyribose sugar. Got it? So we know that there are three components of nucleic acid. One is phosphate group, the other one is pentose sugar, and the third one is a nitrogenous base. So the pentose sugar that is used in DNA is a deoxyribose sugar that consists of 5 carbon atom in it. Got it? Now, this structure was discovered by two scientists. One was James Watson and the other one was Francis Crick. What is this structure? This structure is actually a long double-stranded molecule that consists of two chains. You can see that in this image the two chains are represented by two different colors. One chain is purple and the other one is green, just to differentiate them from each other. Okay, so this molecule consists of two chains that are twisted around each other. Got it? Now, how this structure is formed? All the nucleotides that are forming this DNA will link up with each other, will join with each other, and will form a macromolecule. You can see that this is one nucleotide. Got it? That consists of a phosphate group, a pentose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. This group is linked. This nucleotide is linked with the other nucleotide through this bond. This bond is a covalent bond between pentose sugar and the phosphate group. Now you can see that pentose sugar and phosphate group link with each other and they will form the backbone of each strand of the DNA. In this second strand also you can see that the phosphate group and the pentose sugar are joined with each other and they are forming the backbone of the DNA. Got it? Now, the third component of nucleotide, that are nitrogenous bases. I have already told you that there are two types of nitrogenous bases in DNA. One type is purine and the other type is pyrimidine. Always purine will link up with a pyrimidine to form a hydrogen bonding between them. So the two strands are linked with each other through hydrogen bonding between the nitrogenous bases. In this way, a double-stranded molecule of DNA will be formed. Got it? Now, these two strands are linked with each other and they are twisted round each other and they will form a double helix sort of structure. Got it? Double helix is a twisted staircase structure. So this DNA molecule will also be formed by twisting of both the strands round each other in the same way. Got it? I hope the structure of DNA is clear to all of you. Got it? Allah Hafiz.